Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 4 steps to make passive income. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and how we can make 4 steps to make passive income, or how you can make 4 steps to make passive income. So the first thing is you need to get some traffic, and in order to get some traffic you need to make a YouTube channel or a blog. These are the 2 best ways. Obviously you can go to Instagram, you can do it on Facebook as well. Some Facebook groups are killing it out there, and there are a ton of different ways. You know, you can do Snapchat, you can do Facebook ads if you have some money, you can do YouTube ads if you have some money. However, the reason why I say a YouTube channel or a blog is because people can find your content and we want to make passive income. These other ways that I just talked about, you have to be consistently posting on there. And I'm not saying that you don't have to be consistent on a blog or on a YouTube channel, because you are going to have to put in the work. However, people will be able to find your videos 3 years from now, or even more than that, you know, 10 years from now, just like going on YouTube and ending up on your video. This will not happen if you have an Instagram account or anything like that, because posts that are over 3 days old just like get kind of drowned in the big space of photos. So you just have to post every day, and same goes for Facebook. On a blog it's different, because again this is searchable and it's just like YouTube. People can find your blog post from 10 years ago. And this absolutely works. So that's why I always talk about making a YouTube channel or a blog, because these are the best ways to do it. And if you're not looking to make passive income and you prefer to do it on Facebook, by all means, this absolutely works and you can absolutely do that. This is like absolutely a good way to do this. Some people are millionaires from that. You can do that. But if you're looking for passive income, it's a YouTube channel or a blog. I'm sure there are some other ways, but these are the best ways that I know that do that. So this is how you're going to get some audience. You're going to post consistently, whether it's on your blog or your YouTube channel. You want to post every single day, especially at the beginning, because otherwise it's going to be very hard to actually get some traction, especially if you don't have any money to put in on ads or anything like that. So this is how you're going to get the people that you want, because you want to talk about a subject that you actually enjoy, no matter what it is. Teach people that, and if you don't know how to teach anything, well, just learn something. You just have to do that. That's how you're going to make some money. I'm sorry to tell you that, but it's just the cold hard truth. You have to learn something and then teach it. So learn something. If you know something that you're really passionate about, do that. But make sure that you're absolutely interested in what you're talking about, because otherwise you won't last in the long term, because this is a long-term goal. So the next step, once you have that, is to build an email list. So building an email list can be very, you know, other than the technical things, which, you know, you can use Builderall, for example. This is a very good one. And just build an email list that way. So maybe it's giving out a free ebook, maybe it's recommending something that people can just click on, or anything like that. Something that people want that will not cost you a bunch of money, and people click on that and they have to enter the email. So that way you have their email list. There's not much more to it, but this is the lifeblood of your business. So if you don't have an email list, make sure that you create one after you've got some audience. You don't have to do it like after 3 subs or anything like that, but this is something that you have to do. So then you have to promote an offer. So promoting an offer is something that's is crucial. If you want to make some sales, you have to promote an offer. Now, an offer, don't just try to sell anything. It has to be congruent with your YouTube channel or your blog or your Facebook group or your Instagram account, no matter what. But since we're talking about passive income, YouTube or blog, you have to have something that's congruent with what you're talking about. So if you're talking about how to repair your car and you're selling a sewing machine, people absolutely do not care about your offer and nobody will buy it. So you just have to make sure that your offer is congruent with what you're talking about on your platform, no matter what it is. And once you have done like all that and everything is automated, because promoting an offer can be absolutely automated, because that is just an email sequence, so it can go on for as long as you want. A lot of people do 7 days, which I think is a great way to do it, and then you can promote some other things as well. But for the most part, everything is automated. So the only thing that you have to do once all that is done is keep creating the content, keep posting on YouTube or on your blog, and that way you will keep getting people back to buy more, and just, you will be able to help more people, and the more people you help, the more you will be able to sell to them. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. And make sure you check out my other videos, because I've got plenty of more content and I'm putting out content every day, so you don't want to miss out on that. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.